Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. So the new ad for Walgreens started today and they have super amazing deals going on. But before heading to the store, check your accounts to see if you received a booster coupon in your Walgreens account. My husband and I each have our own accounts. I received a spend $35, get $10 Walgreens cash. And my husband received a spend $40, get $8 in Walgreens cash. Both will help make these deals even more amazing. So today I'll be showing you two different scenarios that you can do. For the first deal scenario, we'll be using the spend $40, get $8 Walgreens cash. So this week, select Dove bath care items are on sale for $7 each. And when you buy two, you'll receive a $3 register reward. Plus, there's this high value coupon of $7 when you purchase two. So two will total $14. Minus the $7 digital coupon, the total comes down to $7. But you're gonna get that $3 register reward, making two of these $4 or just $2 each. Select Oral-B toothbrushes and Crest toothpastes are on sale for $3 each. And when you buy two, you're gonna get a $3 register reward. These were not tagged in my store, so if this ever happens to you, you can just go on the app, scan the item, and it'll show you how much the item is, along with any digital coupons available and if it's giving back Walgreens cash. So these are indeed the ones that ring up for $3 this week. Grab two, totaling $6, and use this $3 off two digital coupon, leaving you to pay $3, but you're gonna get back that $3 register reward for purchasing two, making two of these completely free. These bottles of Dawn dish soap are on sale this week at 4 for $10. No coupons, but that booster coupon will make these an incredible deal. The Bentine Max antibiotic is priced at $9.79. Grab two, which will total $19.58. I found this $3 off two Peely coupon on one of the Bactine spray products. If you're unable to find one of those, you can check your Walgreens account to see if you have a $1.50 digital coupon. With the $3 off two Peely coupon, the total comes down to $16.58. And I was not aware of this register reward promotion. So apparently if you spend $15 on Bactine or other participating items, you'll receive a $5 store register reward. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $4.75 for each one. And Fetch is giving back $3.50 when you buy two, making two of these a $1.42 moneymaker. So these are all the items included in transaction number one. The subtotal for these items came up to $49.58, minus $13 in digital coupons. You'll pay $36.58. And because we're using that booster coupon, you cannot utilize Walgreens cash to pay for this entire amount, but you are able to use up to $5 in Walgreens cash. Because if you use the $5 on Walgreens cash, your subtotal will still be over $40. So after paying the $36.58, you'll get back a total of $19 in Walgreens cash and register rewards, plus $9.50 from Ibotta and $3.50 from Fetch, making this transaction just $4.58 or 46 cents each. So now let's go over deal scenario number two using the spend $35, get $10 in Walgreens cash booster coupon. So remember, I am using a second account for this transaction. And due to us only receiving one set of those digital coupons, we are only able to do these deals one time per account. So if you only have one account, you can only choose to do one of these deal scenarios. So this 4-pack of Dove bar soap are on sale this week for $7. And these are also part of the register reward promotion for buy two and receive a $3 register reward. And the $7 off two coupon also applies to these. If you prefer the body wash, you can also grab those instead of these bar soaps. So grab any two, totaling $14, minus the $7 off two digital coupon. You'll pay $7. But you're gonna get that $3 register reward, making two of these $4 or just $2 each. and I had to go back to get more free toothbrushes. So again, the Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale this week for $3 each. Grab 2, totaling $6, and clip the $3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3, but you're gonna get back that $3 register reward, making 2 of these completely free. Select Colgate Oral Care is on sale this week for $4.50. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $4 register reward. So grabbing any 2 will total $9. Clip this $4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $5, but you're getting back that $4 register reward, making 2 of these $1 or 50 cents each. The Head & Shoulders are on sale this week for $6. And when you buy 2, you'll get back a $3 register reward. So grabbing 2 will total $12. Clip this $3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $9, but you're gonna get back that $3 register reward, making 2 of these $6 or just $3 each. And this is everything in transaction number 2. So the subtotal for all these products came up to $41 minus $17 in digital coupons. You'll be left to pay $24. And since the subtotal was $6 over the amount that we had to spend, you could utilize $5 in Walgreens cash, which is exactly what I did, and you'll still get your $10 in Walgreens cash for that booster coupon. So after paying the $24, you're going to get back a total of $23 in Walgreens cash and register rewards, making this transaction just $1 or 13 cents each. And this is everything that I picked up today. This is over $90 worth of products, and that is including the sale prices. But thanks to coupons, register rewards, Walgreens cash, and rebates, the total for everything in this picture came down to just $5.58 or 31 cents each. And thankfully, both of these were smooth transactions. All of the digital coupons came off with no issue, and I received all of the Walgreens cash and register rewards, which made this trip even more amazing. So these deals started today, Sunday, July 14th, and will continue until Saturday, July 20th. So clip all of your digital coupons now and make time to go to Walgreens sometime this week. And here's the complete breakdown for you guys. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.